Hello, I just discovered a pretty cool feature about Collaborate Ultra on D2L. I was trying to figure out how I could draw on the board remotely instead of just sharing slides. And this is probably used for a lot of different things. I like to draw out different biological processes, but maybe you could use it for math or physics or chemistry or all kinds of things. Well, I realized that if you use a tablet and you have a tablet where you have a stylus where you can draw on the screen, then if you share the drawing screen and you have Collaborate Ultra up, then it will share whatever you're drawing. So let me show you. This is just the Collaborate Ultra, which you get to through D2L, and I've set up a session here just so I can test it out. And when you join the session, then it brings up the Collaborate Ultra screen. And from this, I usually, you can share a blank whiteboard like this, but you can't actually write on it with your stylus. But what I found out is if you share an application and you have an application on your tablet where you can actually write, then it will show the writing. So what I've done here is my tablet, and then over here I have my computer so I can see if it actually shows up looking in the room. So I'm looking here at this, and this is just a typical program that came with my Surface Pro, so I can write stuff on it like that, and then I can erase it with the other end. So I'm going to use this program, and so when I go back to Blackboard Collaborate, and I hit Share Application or Screen, if I choose the window, application window, and then I choose Microsoft Whiteboard, or you would choose whatever application you have where you can write on the screen, maybe even Notepad, I don't know, and you hit share, now it actually says usbbcollaborate.com is sharing a window, and now I can actually just write on here. So if I write something like, 356 milligrams per liter, it actually shows up on the computer screen. So as I'm writing here, I can actually see things show up here. Okay, so as I actually drew them on my tablet, because I'm sharing this screen and I have that application up, here it is over here, Blackboard, here's Collaborate, because I selected the share application screen and I shared the application for my writing, now whatever I write on this is now showing up on that screen. And this is the screen that everyone will see. It's a little hard, I guess, to do this and a camera at the same time at a webcam, but if you have a really writing intensive course, this would definitely allow you a way to write it, and also they would be able to hear your audio at the same time that they see the images coming up on the screen.